Hey y'all, it's Joey from Dad's Simply Cooking, and today it's Tuesday. And I'm calling it Toll House Tuesday because we're making the original Toll House chocolate chip cookie. So the other day, Jerry and I went out, just the two of us, and we went to an antique store. And I found a book from 1982 called The Toll House Treasury. And in this book is the original Toll House cookie. So we're gonna make it, and that's gonna be Toll House Tuesday. So that's what's on the plan today. So Dad, take it away. Hey, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Is Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking, and we have our ingredients all laid out. We have 2 1/4 cup of flour, 3/4 of brown sugar, and 3/4 of granulated sugar, a whole bag of chocolate chips, and a 1/2 cup of nuts. Your nuts, whatever your preference. If you like, salted peanuts, walnuts, whatever. I had some ground up walnuts in there. 2 eggs, 1 cup of butter, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, so we're gonna mix all this up and make some cookies. Okay, so you're gonna preheat your oven to 375, and it says in the directions that these will be baking to 10 minutes each. So what I want to start to do is I want to sift in. I got my flour, my salt, my baking soda. Get it in there and just whisk it all together and get it good and combined. All right, next up, my sugar, my brown sugar and my granulated sugar. I'm just going to combine them together. Break down that brown sugar clumps. All right, I'm going to melt my sticks of butter. Got my butter melted. I'm gonna add in my vanilla and my 2 sticks of butter into my sugar. I'm gonna get my hand mixer out and mix. So once that's creamed together, what we're going to do is we're just going to take it and pour it on into our flour, and we're just going to mix that in. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour in my chocolate chips and my walnuts. Now, being honest, as a man who has ate his fair share of Toll House cookies. This looks pretty much spot on. I'm just going to put it in the fridge just like this, and we'll be back in an hour. So I have a little ice cream scooper and a big ice cream scooper. Wait, this is medium grade, really. So I got 2 baking dishes. My oven, I thought I preheated it at 375. 375 for your oven, 8 to 10 minutes, okay? So these are basically big Toll House cookies. I have another pan, but it is uneven because it has warped over its times. So I will not use it because the cookie dough, as it melts in the oven, will start drifting. And it just makes my cookies dough horrible. So yeah, so the cookies are in the oven. We're going to see how long they take. But yeah, I did find this book at an antique store. If y'all want, I will have the recipe pinned in the comments below with a picture of the recipe, as well as a link in the description for Amazon for my storefront if you're interested in trying to find this book. All right, y'all, so look at this cookie. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Oh, let's crack her open. Oh, buddy. The only thing we could do, smells like a Toll House. Oh yeah. I'm ready to do the cookie challenge again with my mom. I'll make these. Oh. I like the bottom, where the bottom is done. It's still cooked on the inside. The only thing I need is a glass of milk. So with this, I pulled them out of the oven. I let them sit on my pan for 10 minutes while they cooled, and then I transferred them to a wire rack. That's what the recipe calls for. Let them sit on the pan that's still hot. It will finish cooking the bottom and give you a good center, gooey. I might eat this whole thing. That is amazing. I ended up bagging the rest of the cookie dough. I think I got about 10 more cookie balls, and they're in the freezer. So that way later on, we can go ahead and make cookies, Toll House style. So y'all, the original Toll House from the Toll House Treasury book is a wrap. We're gonna go enjoy these. I'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please, I would greatly appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what your favorite cookie is. The Pillsbury, Toll House, Crumble, whatever. I love you. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.